Hi there, welcome to this short video. I'm going to walk you through 4 simple yet powerful ways you can start using AI today as a business owner to address common challenges and streamline the daily tasks that often pull you away from focusing on business growth. As a business owner, you are juggling multiple tasks every day. Between answering calls, scheduling appointments, and responding to customer inquiries, it can feel overwhelming. The good news is that AI is now accessible to business owners like you and is designed to handle much of this busy work, allowing you to buy back your time and focus on what really matters. You can stop worrying about missed calls and start focusing on growing your business. Stay tuned as I show you how AI can streamline your operations and save you time. Missed calls are one of the biggest pain points for businesses. When a call comes in, you either have to interrupt your work to answer it or risk losing a customer. And it doesn't stop there. What about calls that come in after hours when no one is available to respond? Those are missed opportunities that can easily slip through the cracks. Imagine the frustration of losing a booking because you couldn't take the call, or worse, a potential customer calls outside your business hours and ends up going to a competitor instead. Answering the same repetitive questions every single day, like, what are your prices? Are you open today? Or can I book now? All this quickly adds up to hours of lost productivity. It may not seem like much in a moment, but imagine getting 15 of those calls or messages in a day. That's easily 1 to 2 hours gone. That could be spent following up on hot leads, improving your service, or actually growing your business. And let's be honest, it's mentally draining. You are stuck reacting instead of building. You are busy being busy instead of being strategic. If your business is not showing up on Google, guess what? You are invisible. When someone searches, for example, dentist near me, and you are not the first on the page, it means you just lost a customer to a competitor. Google loves businesses with fresh reviews and active engagement. Low reviews means lower ranking on Google, fewer clicks, and missed bookings. But we all know that getting reviews can be a grind. Asking customers to give you a review, following up with them, and also responding to their reviews when they eventually give those reviews. It's a full-time job and it's cheating time from the one thing you should be doing, growing your business. We all know that speed wins leads. Every minute you delay responding to a customer that clicks on your ad, you are giving your competitor the edge. People don't wait, they move on. And that lead you just paid for is gone. You are not just losing potential revenue, you are wasting your ad spend. In fact, you are not just losing a sale, you are using your ad budget to fund your competitor's business. You paid for that click. You got the lead, but they answered faster because they have a system to do that. And so they got the job. Fast response is no longer a nice to have. It is the difference between booking the job or losing it. Luckily, you now have AI to help you take care of some of the busy work so you can focus on tasks that move the needle. Think of AI as your personal virtual assistant. It is always available, it never takes break, it never takes a day off, and it's constantly learning to improve. You only need to set it up once and it will take care of answering calls, booking appointments, and even requesting for reviews. Your AI virtual assistant answers every incoming call professionally, 24/7, without the need for manual intervention. And this means you will never miss an opportunity to engage with potential customers, even during off hours or busy periods. It can schedule your call and ensures no double booking and that appointment slots are never missed. Customers can easily book their appointments and this integrates with your calendar, ensuring seamless scheduling. Your AI virtual assistant can automatically answer common questions such as pricing, availability, and service details. This will save you time of responding to those repetitive inquiries, allowing you to focus on higher priority tasks. With your AI virtual assistant handling routine tasks, your team can focus on client and revenue generating activities instead of managing phone calls and scheduling. All of this will streamline your operations and reduce overhead costs, increasing efficiency. It can provide constant support, answering customer queries, booking appointments any time of the day without getting overwhelmed, without getting irritated at customers. Your business is always available to answer to customers, enhancing customer experience and satisfaction. It can immediately respond to customer inquiries on your ads, ensuring faster lead conversion and help secure more business. The quick engagement will reduce the risk of losing those leads to your competitors. We can use AI to automate review requests and respond to customers' feedback. AI can automate your review request process, ensuring you are consistently gathering reviews to improve your online reputation. And increased reviews leads to better search engine ranking and more trust from potential customers. AI can rank leads based on their interaction and engagement, allowing you to prioritize high potential customers. This helps you to focus your energy on the leads that are most likely to convert, maximizing your return on investment. In summary, AI can be your virtual assistant taking care of routine tasks like answering calls, scheduling, and managing reviews, all the while enhancing customer experience, boosting business growth. With the AI managing these tasks, you are free to focus on what you do best, your craft and business growth. Imagine a customer calling in to book an appointment. AI takes the call, answers the customer's questions, and even sends them a link to schedule their appointment. If an existing customer texts back about booking a haircut, AI can respond immediately, checks availability, and books that appointment without you having to lift a finger. Your clients get quick responses and you get more time to work on other things. The best part is that our automation can detect when an appointment occurs and set up a follow-up time. For example, if you want to send a review request one day after the appointment, you will automatically send a text message to the customer. Once they receive the message, they can open it up and rate their experience. This provides you with valuable feedback on your staff's performance and highlights areas for improvement in customer service. If the customer is happy and extremely satisfied, they can select one of those options. They'll be taken directly to your Google review page or Facebook review page where they can write their review. Each review you receive will push you higher in search rankings, helping potential customers find you more easily. We can even take this further by providing a review QR code, which you can place at your front desk if you have a brick and mortar store. While customers are in your business, they can scan the code before they leave, taking them straight to your review site to leave feedback. We've implemented these systems for our clients, and they've seen a significant increase in reviews. With our AI-powered virtual assistants, you can streamline your operations and elevate customer service. Our system ensures every call is answered promptly, no matter the time. Our virtual assistant can schedule appointments effortlessly via SMS, reducing manual efforts. All calls are recorded, so you can review every call recording for quality assurance and improve customer interactions. You can automatically request and reply to reviews, boosting your online reputation. Your AI virtual assistant can handle inquiries and schedule via text message, making customer communication seamless. You get real-time notification instantly every time a call comes in, keeping you in the loop. Your virtual assistant will ensure you never miss an opportunity, so you can focus on growing your business while it handles the busy work. In no time, you'll begin to see your revenue increase steadily as a result of capturing every opportunity with a quick response system that engages customers immediately instead of missing calls or leaving questions unanswered. Everything is efficiently handled ensuring more business comes in. Not only will your business thrive with better reputation, as each customer is prompted to leave a review, but your Google rankings will improve, boosting your visibility and credibility. The more reviews you receive, the higher your rankings, helping you attract even more customers. Plus, the setup is effortless with a simple onboarding process paired with a 24/7 support to ensure smooth implementation. This means you can focus on growth without worrying about the technicalities. With stress-free operations, your team can now concentrate on providing excellent service to clients instead of being bogged down with routine tasks. Automating these tasks enhances your overall efficiency and allows you to grow your business without added pressure. Our setup is incredibly easy. If you are thinking, I don't have time for another tech tool, this seems too complicated, don't worry. We'll take care of everything for you. We will train the AI, we'll set it up, and even after the initial setup, we'll continue to check in. If you have any issues at any time, we offer 24/7 live support where you can chat with us and get immediate assistance to keep you moving forward. With this seamless system in place, you'll be running a smoother operation. Your team can focus on what really matters, making clients happy, while we'll handle the busy work. You'll be able to concentrate on growing and expanding your business rather than dealing with phone calls and repetitive customer inquiries. Big corporations have been using this kind of technology for years, and now it's even accessible to small businesses like yours. Let us help you tap into the power of AI so you can focus on scaling your business without getting bogged down on day-to-day tasks. Let's quickly compare the limitations of traditional voicemail and the cost of hiring an assistant to the power of an AI assistant to help you make an informed decision. With traditional voicemail, you are limited to leaving messages. It cannot handle customer inquiries, it cannot book appointments, or provide 24/7 availability. And every missed call could cost you at least $100, depending on your business, leading to lost business opportunities. Hiring a human assistant might seem like a solution. They can take calls and book appointments, but their availability is limited. They don't work 24/7, and hiring costs can be around $2,000 or more per month, depending on your location. While this is helpful, this option doesn't cover everything and it can be expensive as well. Now, let's talk about an AI assistant. AI works 24/7, handling calls, inquiries, and appointment bookings without interruptions. It is cost effective and ensures you never miss a lead or customer interaction. Unlike human assistants, AI doesn't require breaks or time off, and it's available at any hour. Perfect for capturing opportunities round the clock. In conclusion, while voicemail and human assistants have their place, they can't compete with the efficiency and reliability of an AI assistant. With AI, you save money, improve customer service, and never miss a chance to grow your business. If you're interested in learning more about our AI virtual assistant, contact us today to schedule a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. And let us show you how our solution can boost your online reputation and handle repetitive customer inquiries efficiently. Thank you for patiently watching these videos, and I hope to see you at the demo call. Bye.